XRP Ripple investors, prepare right now. We have a lot to talk about, so hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. We'll go over some crypto news and then do a technical analysis and price prediction. Starting off with some breaking news. The $800 billion asset manager known as Deutsche Bank is going to offer Bitcoin custody for institutions. This is very bullish. As I've been saying for the past couple weeks now, Bitcoin and crypto is becoming globally adopted and more accepted. Look at this chart right here. Look at the amount of asset managers that have applied for a spot Bitcoin ETF in America. BlackRock a couple years ago said Bitcoin and crypto was for money laundering. Now they're bullish on Bitcoin. We also have Fidelity, Invesco, WisdomTree, and so on. With that being said, all I have to say, in 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. Think about it. Bitcoin and crypto is becoming more accepted and adopted. Also, with the Bitcoin halving, it's becoming more scarce. So what is this going to do to the price of Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins? It's going to send it to the moon. And this is why I've been saying in 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. This is why you should be a long-term investor instead of a trader, because you will make money. Unlike trading crypto, only 10% of traders are profitable. But on the other hand, if you become a long-term investor, you are more likely to take profits. Now, moving on, I want you guys to see this right here. Yes, this tweet was made by the Kobe's letter. Look at this. China unexpectedly cut rates by their most since 2020. Europe unexpectedly raised interest rates to their highest since 2001. The Fed is expected to pause rate hikes for months. Australia paused rate hikes 4 months ago. Argentina unexpectedly raised rates to a record 118%. Crazy. Canada paused rates but prepared to hike more if needed. Central banks around the world are doing completely different things. Truly historic times. As I've been saying, we are finally transitioning from the old to the new. The new is CBDCs, crypto, blockchain technology. With that being said, you guys need to prepare right now because this is your last chance to make generational wealth. But with that being said, I do expect a great shakeout in 2023. And we take a look right here. In less than a week from now, on September 19th to the 20th, the FOMC meeting will take place. In my opinion, I do believe Jerome Powell will pause rate hikes this upcoming meeting, but in the up-and-coming meeting in October/November, there is a 50% chance we do continue, raising interest rates because, as you guys know, inflation started to rise again. It rose to 3.7%. It went from 3.2 to 3.7%. This is not good, but we did see core inflation drop to 4.3%. It went from 4.7 to 4.3. This is good news. So overall, this was neutral, and as a result, I expect Jerome Powell to raise or to pause interest rate hikes this upcoming meeting. But when we're talking about December, November, well, there's a 50% chance we will continue to raise interest rates. So with that being said, let's do a technical analysis for the XRP price. If we take a look at the weekly chart, yes, we have been respecting this ascending line right here. I'm telling you guys, if we break this to the downside, if we cannot hold this line of support, we will see XRP dump to 30 cents immediately. But as of right now, we are in the green, right? On the weekly, it is telling us to sell the MACD indicator, but on the daily, it is telling us to buy. If we take a look at the volume, it is still very low. So we have to be aware. It looks like we're going to be stuck between 45 to 55 cents until next week, which is when the FOMC meeting will take place. If we take a look right here, at the S&P 500. Today we saw the S&P 500 rise, which is good news for the crypto market, but we did see the DXY gain even more strength. It's continuing to rise. We don't want to see this, guys, because if it continues to rise, well, then we should expect the crypto market to tank eventually. If we take a look at the Bitcoin price right here, yes, Bitcoin is making its way back up to 27,000. It was as high as 26,800. Guys, please do not be fooled. Don't get bullish on Bitcoin, because we need the Bitcoin price to close the daily and weekly above 27K before we even get excited about BTC. As of right now, Bitcoin will be stuck between 27,000 and 25,000 for quite a while. The MACD indicator is telling us to buy on the daily, but the weekly it is telling us to sell. So we have mixed signals going on right now. This is why I tell you guys, with XRP, you guys should be dollar cost averaging, because it's going to be stuck. My price prediction is a 55 to 45 cents for the next week. So dollar cost average, understanding 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. With that being said, if you made it this far, comment the number 2023. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. Peace.